everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2014 Toyota Corolla, and the original system does not come with the navigation. It's just the basic radio, and we just replaced the original system with this 10.1 inches high definition navigation system. Let's talk about the hardware specification of the system and the features that come with the system first. Okay, the system actually comes with 10.1 inches high definition touchscreen. It also comes with the Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as well. This system also fully compatible with all the steering wheel control of the original vehicle. You can use the original steering wheel control to control everything on the car, like the volume. You can see that, and also you can also use the steering wheel control to pick up the phone call. It's very nice. And other than that, this one also supports the original camera too. You see the backup camera here. It's very nice. And this system also comes with the Wi-Fi. That means you can, as long as you connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone, then you can access to the internet, and then you can also browse the internet, use the Google Map, and also watch the Netflix, okay, and also watch the YouTube as well. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, this one actually comes with navigation. You can see that navigation is right here. So how to use the navigation? You just need to click on the bottom right corner here, new road, address, and you can enter the address right here. All right, it's very nice, and the screen actually is very big. It's very clear and bright and high definition. Pull down a little bit from the top, and then you can click on the home button right here. Okay, and then you also support the window. It's very nice. You can also access to the all the radio station right over there. Okay, and other than that, you can also watch the movie. You can download the movie from the USB, and then you can also play that on the system as well.
If we stand a chance against Brixton, you guys have to work together. No way. This guy's a real ass.
Okay, as you can see, it's very nice and very clear, alright? And other than that, you can also download any application. We will preload the Netflix right here. If you have your own Netflix account, you can also watch the Netflix on the system as well. This system also comes with the video in motion, alright? So other than that, you can also watch the YouTube, okay? So basically, the YouTube is right here. Okay, as long as you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can also access to the YouTube right here. You can also watch the movie. It's very nice. And you can also browse the internet right here, of course. Just like a tablet. It's very nice, alright? And other than that, you can also listen to the radio for sure. Other than that, this system also supports the equalizer. When you click on the equalizer right here, you can see that you can change to any of the equalizer. You can adjust it based on your personal preference. All right, so it's very nice here. And other than that, I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple CarPlay. In order to use the Apple CarPlay, you will need the cell phone right here. Okay, go to Bluetooth, and then pair the Bluetooth device. Once you pair with the unit, you just need to pair with the Bluetooth device here, and then enter the password. Okay, once you pair with the device, and then you can go back to the main menu, go to CarPlay, and then you can see that you can need to grant authorization on the phone. Perfect. As you can see, this is Apple CarPlay. And you can see that this is the newest iOS 15. This system also supports the iPhone 13 and the newest version of the iOS 15. You can also check the WhatsApp message right here. You can also listen to the music. Okay, so basically, for example, okay, other than that, of course, you can also use the navigation right here. All right, so you can also make the phone call. You can also use the split screen here. This one also supports the Siri. How to use the Siri? You just need to hold the bottom left corner here. What's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 10 degrees, and the low will be 4.
Okay. And then when you hold again, bring me to the gas station.
Okay, here's what I found.
Perfect. One thing I would like to mention is this system also supports the original backup camera. It's fully compatible. It also comes with the active guideline. You can see that. You can also, it's very nice. Okay. As you can see, it's fully compatible with the original feature, like the hazard button is right here, and the airbag lights over there. It's very nice. All right. This system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.